Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the actual Tips Tech Tools series, video series, where I've been sharing some tips recently on how to make the most out of LinkedIn as a translator and or interpreter. So these video series, some of them are live or recorded, aim to help you use efficiently tools, technology, in this case LinkedIn, to be able to make the most out of it and to start promoting your own services. So today we're going actually to help you to create a page for your company services. And let's start together step by step on how to create a company page if you don't have already, and 3 tips to make the most out of it and to be able to increase even the views to your profile to up to 2000% more views. This is one of the best results I have achieved for other colleagues. So my name is Virginia Katsibir. I'm a certified translator based in Athens, Greece, and I'm also a business coach to other colleagues since 2016. As a mentor, I have been helping colleagues from all over the world to be able to reach 5-figure months as an income and also to use efficiently LinkedIn to get clients. So let me know if you have any questions watching this video, and definitely what other topic you would like me to share through this series. The last videos, the first one was about how to add this verification button next to your name, as you see here, as a verified member of LinkedIn, how to become a verified member of LinkedIn. The second one was actually on how to have your company page or your services to be shown on the upper right part of your screen, where you see here the translation, your Greek translation part, which actually is my company page. So go back and find them either on my YouTube channel, in our Mentoring for Translators group on Facebook, and here on LinkedIn if you're watching me on LinkedIn in the previous activity of mine. The last one was about to create a company page, which I'm going to repeat a bit here to connect with today's topic, which is going to be 3 tips to make the most out of it. And I know that most of you don't use the features that I'm going to show you. So definitely, I think that is going to be helpful. Everything that I'm teaching here is based on your questions that I've been receiving through my mentoring services. So let me know if you have any more questions, use LinkedIn or any other tool. And definitely, let me know if actually you're going to try to use the processes and anything, the advice that I've been sharing here through these videos. So let's go to create a company page. What is a company page? As you see here, this is my company page as well. But if you scroll down to your own profile or anyone else's profile, so in my case, because I'm broadcasting live, most probably is not easily shown. It's in your most recent work experience. So let me know, guys, if you know what is a company page and the difference between company profile. This is a company profile where we have our own name, and where we describe our work experience is a company page, especially when you scroll down to your work experience and you are able to see there a logo connected with your page. So as an employee, you connect the page with your employers, okay? Company page. As a freelancer, that's what we're going to do together today. The first tip I'm going to, let's say, recommend you is how to be able to promote yourself as a business owner, even if you're a freelancer. So you don't need to register as a company in order to follow those tips. Even as a freelancer working from home, as a solopreneur, I would suggest you to go and create a company page, a page to your work experience, and connect it with your most recent work experience, so as you to be able to showcase your expertise, to be able to be found by potential clients, and also to promote yourself. So if you scroll down here, if you see, you go to the work experience. This is my work experience, okay, section, but this is a page. When you see the cursor that turns into a hand, okay, that means that's clickable. And if I click here on VTranslations logo, I will be redirected, okay, to my company page. So you most probably, as a member, you will be able to have this kind of view. And definitely, it's really professional, okay, to have a page where you describe how you can help your clients, where you're registered, and also to have content related to your own services. Plus, if we go back to our work experience, you will be able to see that actually our section to work experience looks a bit more professional, where we are able to connect with the page. And as you see here, I have my brand name connected, okay, here, and I name I'm a full-time, let's say, an owner and founder here on my title. So if you have here in your work experience a freelancer or nothing, then definitely if you create a company page the way we're going to discuss today, and name it even with your full name, first and last name, if you don't have a brand name, Connect with the logo again with the full name of yours. Then you will be able to see, instead of just freelancer here, you'll be able to see, let's say, Virginia Katsibiri Translation Service, if that's okay, how you would like to describe your own company, even if again you are a freelancer. So let's go to see how you can create that. You will see my cursor, most probably. Let me check. That moves here on my screen. But again, the steps that we're going to follow, I'm going to describe, is here. If you see on the tab menu where you see home, my network, jobs, messaging, notifications, and me with a drop-down menu. Next to this, you will see for business, again, a drop-down menu. If you click on this, you will be able to actually scroll down. Let me know if you can see that, guys, or if you need any more help. And also, if you're watching the actual recording, again, I would like to know if this is something you can see. So I'm checking here if you can see actually that kind of information on your screen. So I'm going here to the for business. I open the drop down menu, yes, and you scroll down there. Okay, you see my cursor, perfect. There is a create a company page button with a plus sign next to it. So you just click on that and you will be redirected to create a LinkedIn page of LinkedIn. Is linkedin.com/company/setup/new. So we're going to set up a new LinkedIn page. Of course, I'm not going to set up a new page for me, but I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow in order to create your own page. So here you have three options. You can choose if you're a company, a showcase page, or educational institution. So for example, for my V Mentoring Fully Booked Translator Formula page, I have, let's say, chosen the educational institution. You see here for schools and universities because I give certificates and I provide educational services. But for my translation, okay, service and company, I have chose the first option, which says small, medium, and large businesses. The showcase page is a sub-page associated with an existing page. That's a new feature. We can talk that in another video. So in your case, as a translator, okay, you need to see yourself as a small business. Either you're a freelancer, you are a small business, okay? And definitely when it comes to marketing your services, you need to consider yourself as a company, even if you're not, again, registered as a company, as a solopreneur. So we click here on the first option, and you have here the page preview. So I will add a name, okay? Let's see to see how does it look like. So we will have the translations, okay, and that exists. It says, so let's say GR in my case, and then we go and we add the website and industry. Actually, if you click the first, you will be redirected to a drop-down menu. Okay, as you see, you need to choose the industry. So we cannot enter any kind of data there. We need to choose the industry based on the fields that LinkedIn gives us, okay? The size of my company, so you can choose 0 to 1. So that's another example that as a freelancer or a solopreneur, you can create that page, okay? And it's not illegal because it allows you to have a size from 0 to 1 employees, which is you are low. So in my case, we're a small company, okay, up to 10 employees, and actually is a private company, privately held. Then you need to choose your logo to find where had the last time to do my thing. It's here. Yep. Okay. Let's see how does this look like. Okay, it's small. You can adjust the size, and then you can have a tagline. So in my case, your Greek translation partner, or can be, let's say, the phrase that we use in my mentoring programs. I help, okay, that kind of clients to achieve those kind of results. And that's, let's say, a preview. Of course, when you create that, you will be able to edit more fields, to add more information, and even to add a lead magnet. So LinkedIn adds features all the time and improves itself. So you will be amazed, okay, from the features that you can. Then I can verify that I'm an authorized representative, and then you click on create the page. So you need to click this here. I can then create a page. I'm not going to create a page because I already have a page with the same logo and the same, but those were the steps for you to follow if you would like to create a page. If the pace is very fast for you, you can watch the recording as many times as you want. You can pause at any step, and you can follow my steps and let me know if you were able to create your page. What does this mean? When you create a page and you go here to your profile again, so I'm going to my profile, and you're going to create, okay, or edit your work experience by scrolling down and going to your work experience here, you'll be able to add a work experience. So when you add, let's say, a position here, you will be able to connect that position, okay, as an owner, translator, whatever, okay, it's your, let's say, title, and you get also, from drop down menu again, employment tab, you can put full-time, self-employed. If you are, you choose that, okay, let's say self-employed, and the company name, if that already exists, you will be able to connect that. So you see here already there is this, so it means that you will be able to find your page from the drop down menu and connect it here, okay. So you see, I found my page, so I can connect that. And then of course you put the location type, might be on-site, hybrid, and remote. Amazing, that's a new feature. And I'm currently working in this role. If this is your current position, you have the start and end date. And of course, you can have here those options and current position as of now, okay, and current position as of now, okay. So I have three, let's say, current positions, so I can end those and add this one. And of course, the industry again is taken from most probably the company page that I have already created. You can add a description, okay, but this is your work experience. That's not the page. I just showed you, first of all, how to create a page from scratch and how to go and add a position where you will be able to, okay, connect the page to your work experience. And what does that mean? It means that when you have already connected and created, it means that you will have here the title, you will have here, okay, the company page connected underneath, and of course the duration, the location, and the logo next to it, because you connected your work experience with your page. That can happen if you already have the work experience. You need to go there and edit the work experience, and then you click the edit button, and you go where it says company name, and you connect the page if you have not that already, if you haven't yet added any page. Let me know if you found this helpful. For me, definitely it's really important for visual reasons, like it looks more complete, but also in terms of the algorithm of LinkedIn, it's good to see that you're a professional, you take care of your branding, you have a logo or a company page, and also in terms of keywords, you will be able to attract your clients from multiple different ways, from your work experience, from your LinkedIn profile, and your LinkedIn company page. Plus, as a company page, it has more, let's say, advantages in comparison to your profile that we can discuss in another video. One of them is that when you would like to create content strategy and content marketing through your company page, you are able to get more statistics about your audience, and definitely you can boost your content through the company page, let's say, faster. Let me know if you found this helpful. After you create your page, you will be able to invite people from your audience, your network, to follow the page. So the page can be only followed, whereas your LinkedIn profile, you can connect with people, but also you can be followed by people. It's up to you, okay? And also what the status, like, are you a creator or a simple LinkedIn profile? Let me know if you found this helpful. So another tip, okay, apart from adding a logo and connecting here the name, for me, it's really important not to have just freelance translator here, but to choose, or an owner, to choose keywords that your clients would look for you online. So don't just put owner of a company, because unless your clients or the purpose of you using LinkedIn is to be found as an owner. If you would like to use your company page to be found for your translation services, then it's clever to describe yourself as a translator, of course, if you are a translator, okay? Or translation expert, localization expert, or interpreter, depending on what is the service that you offer, okay, and the description of the service that you offer, because that multiplies, okay, the possibilities of you being seen, okay, as that person from your potential clients. Otherwise, you're missing, let's say, the keyword of that kind of word that your ideal clients are going to use to look for you, by just putting owner, which might be the reality. I'm also general manager and a founder of this, let's say, company, but I always put the certified business and legal translator, because I know that it really works very good in terms of the algorithm. So let me know if you knew this. And last tip, apart from you being able to add media, okay, it's good for visual part, which means as media, you can redirect the people to a video of your company, okay, or your work experience. You can add here a portfolio of your service. You can add the website link, okay, which is connected with this work experience of yours. It's really important to use as much of text as you're allowed by the platform. The fuller your profile, by not repeating, of course, yourself or writing a boring content, but using it efficiently, okay, the space that you're allowed, the characters limitation that you have from LinkedIn, in order to be able to include as many keywords related to, okay, your service and what you have to offer to your own clients. So you will be able to be found and to be able to identify by potential clients through LinkedIn. So let me know if you found this helpful. If the tips, you knew those tips or not, I would be very curious. And let me know if you were able to implement those changes to create a company page, to add it with your most recent experience, and also go back to find my previous videos of mine where you will be able actually to add this company page of yours to your highest part next to your own name. As you see here, my name, and this is my page. And this is a clever way where you are going to edit your banner photo, and with an arrow, boom, you can actually redirect the visitors to your profile, to your company page. This is in my previous video, so I would suggest you to go and scroll down my activity or visit my YouTube channel or the videos section of our Mentoring for Translators group, depending on where you're watching me from, and find out how you can add after you have created the company page and after you have connected with your most recent work experience, how you will be able to add it next to your name. So people, when they visit your profile, this will be the first information they see next to your name. Let me know if you found this helpful, and also let me know what you would like me to add in the upcoming videos. Definitely one is how to translate your website, which I think is really important for our services, to be able to localize that information for the different audiences that we serve, and also how you can edit your URL so you will be able to have next to linkedin.com/Virginia Gatsibiri, in my case, or your own name next to your page with, instead of having just numbers and letters. So you will be able to be identified and also to use that link when you add it on your CV, portfolio, or other marketing material. So that was it for today. My, let's say, intention is to have short videos with very practical advice that you will be able to implement right away. So if you have more questions related to our today's topic on how to create a company page, connect your company page with your work experience, and 3 tips to make the most out of it, so you will be able to end up higher in the results when someone is looking for someone like you. And also, what other tips you would like, or what other questions you might have about LinkedIn or any other part of your translation and interpreting business, let me know in the comments, and I would love to share that in the upcoming video. Bye-bye for now, and see you online.